Hello, welcome to my channel. Many of you have been asking me how to put iPhone 7 and the later versions into DFU mode, but it's quite simple. Let's follow the steps. First, we press the power button and the volume down for 10 seconds till the phone reboots. Then the phone is in DFU mode. It's quite simple, but some of you always try this when the phone is on, and it's quite simple as well. By this you can press them until the phone goes off, so when the phone restarts you ignore the power button and keep pressing the volume down. By this the phone will go into DFU mode. Thank you guys.